So right now I have this Dji Osmo Mobile SE. Okay, so this is the gimbal for mobile phones, and I've just received the parcel and now I'm going to be unboxing it. So before unboxing, let me just show you all how the box is. So this is the back side. They have just written the features and everything about the product, and on the sides they have shown some moves. Then here they have the branding, and this is the front. So here they have the warranty card, 1 year with bill. So now let's open this package. So this we have to cut from the sides. So we have removed the plastic cover from this, and now we are going to open it. This was the plastic cover, and like the opening is made here in the front. Okay, here they have this app. This is the app for the gimbal, the DJI Mimo app. This is the QR code for it. Okay, and like these are the steps of how to open the gimbal. And now here is the gimbal. Okay, so we'll check this later. First let's see what's there in this. It will be the manual and all, I'm sure. Okay, so these are the things that you get in this box. This not sure what it is. I'll see it later. This is the silicone pouch. Okay, so here is the manual start guide, and this is the QR code card for the Lightcut app. The Lightcut app is basically used to edit the clips, and here is this pouch to keep the gimbal. It's nice, good quality pouch. Okay, so these are the things. I'll tell you all what these are at the last, because even I don't know what these are. So let's come on the gimbal. So this is the package of gimbal. So this is the gimbal. It's quite heavy. So it has this magnetic attachment. This is the mobile holder, which will be joined here like this. It's quite sturdy, and the magnet is also very, अच्छे से चिपक जाता है. So keeping this aside, tripod to attach it on the gimbal, just in case you are keeping somewhere the gimbal and using it. This is the tripod, and you join it here down. This way. Okay, and after you join this tripod, you will see that there is a bit of bend over here. It will feel like a bend over here after you attach this tripod. So this is the gimbal, how it looks after attaching the tripod. I'll just open the tripod and I'll show it to you all. So you can just like, this is how it will look after you open the tripod properly. this cable is the last thing you get in the box, and you can see there's nothing else, it's just this much. So this is basically the cable to charge your gimbal. Here is the charging port. Yep, so that was it, the unboxing of the new DJI Osmo SE gimbal. Okay, it is new for me, but well, there are even more models that you get, but this is the best for the beginners. So this is it, and now I'm going to use this gimbal for my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching this small unboxing video of this new gimbal, and stay tuned to see me in action with this gimbal in my upcoming videos.